Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we have to find out total working hours between these two data. Employees log in at 4:41 a.m. and log off at 4:09 p.m. We have to find out total working hours. So you are aware about Excel dates are just numbers and time is, fraction number and one day equivalent to 24 hours. How do we get that? And sometimes log off time is, less than login time, keeping that fraction number in view. So how do we get it, guys? So let's see, we have a function called mod, which can handle the negative scenario also. So log off minus login and divisor will be 1. That should be multiplied by 24. So you will have that total working hours, this. So you can see that total is 281. So I can press the keyboard shortcut Alt plus equal to and see that total is 281. This is absolutely cool, guys. This is the formula we have used, but how do we get in one cell? So let's see here. I'm using my formula called sum product. And inside that, I'm using the mod function. I can select the entire range and this minus control backspace. I can use the same range and comma 1. And now this should be multiplied by 24 and see that, guys, I got the answer. 280.604. Exactly same answer I am getting. 280. 281. So this is round up and 280. This is the formula. For log off and log in, this is the best formula. And you know that if I call 3 p.m. So what do you call 3 p.m. actually? So 3 p.m. means 15 divided by 24. So 3 p.m. is called 0.625. If I call 4 a.m. So what do you call 4 a.m.? So 4 a.m. means 4 divided by 24. This. Because 3 p.m. you will add 12. 12 plus 3, 15. And 4 a.m. just 4 divided by 24. I hope you found this useful. For more such videos, share, subscribe, and love my channel. Thank you so much.